Hey guys, it's Annie Margarita Yang back with another Annie Yang financial video for you today. This is the 10th honest review of AI headshot generators. Today I will be reviewing PFPmaker.com. The 10th one was actually supposed to be Pixlr.com, but as I was actually in the middle of recording the one for Pixlr, I realized that they don't do headshots. The way this one works is you have to put in a prompt and then it, generates an image for you, but it's not going to suit our needs because the point of doing this is because we're trying to upload pictures of ourselves to the software to get realistic looking photos that resemble what we actually look like for a photo that would be good for LinkedIn. So I guess Pixlr is off the list, and I'll really be reviewing maybe 22, not 23 AI headshot generators. I don't even know why it ended up on my list. It's probably because, these days with Google SEO, companies will try any sort of keyword phrases or a string of phrases to get you to find their site. And probably one of them was AI headshot generator, even though they don't do AI headshot generators. Okay. So we're going to do PFPmaker today. The whole reason for doing this series is because I will be giving talks at colleges and universities. And one of the things that college students are struggling with is they cannot afford to pay $300 to $500 for a professional looking headshot. And anyone on a low income, it'd be a real struggle to do that. So I'm trying to look for an affordable solution that I can recommend. Right? I don't like to recommend things unless I've tried them for myself. So that's why I have to try all of these because I really want to know what are the results. And it's hard for me to just look at the image based on the website and then recommend something. I have to try out for myself to really know how does it work, because I've done a few of these and, some of these have come out to be a total flop. And, my word is really important here. Okay, so let's do PFPmaker right now and see how this one goes. See. It says you can do this one for free. So I don't know why it's for free. And then up here is a limited time offer for 50% off. Anyway. Okay. Edit and download for free. Is it really free? Let's take a look. AI headshot generator, no photo shoot needed, instant delivery. Okay. I'm just going to upload my best looking headshot then, which was taken by a professional photographer, so it might not be the same case for you. AI profile pic maker. The only thing this thing does is it swaps out the background. Okay, I get why it's free, because it just removes the background. Hey guys, so basically after I finished exploring the PFPmaker site, I have come to realize that I was in the wrong section of the site. And so what I did was I was on the homepage and then I clicked the AI headshot generator, right? You guys saw me do that. And then I clicked upload photo, and that's when the photos just changed background. And then I realized, wait, I haven't explored the top portion, because everything on this site basically says free, 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 free. But then I did say, wait, it's kind of weird that they have this bar at the top that says 50% off, because what am I paying for here if everything is free? And then I clicked on that thing at the top, and it took me to this section. So then suddenly I realized, oh, they do have AI generated headshots, right? But I was like, okay, they do have it. So then I had uploaded all this, and then I realized I was talking basically to myself because I forgot to hit the record button. So I went through the whole process of paying for it and uploading the pictures and all that stuff, yada, yada. Anyway, I'm at the point now where I have to wait 40 minutes to get these photos. So I will be back in a few seconds. But before I do that, before I hop off and come back in a few seconds, they did have this, where's their Instagram? Just a moment. Let me find their Instagram. So I went on their Instagram as well. And then I clicked on their latest image. And it says, okay, introducing the brand new upgrade. So this was like 45 weeks ago, brand new upgrade to do the AI thing. And then someone had responded, unfortunately, these pics looked nothing like me and are unusable. Don't waste the money. And then someone else wrote, avoid at all costs. Terrible, yet highly entertaining finished product. So I kind of have a feeling right now already that the photo will come out looking terrible. But I went ahead and paid for it anyway. I paid $25 for it. They don't have like this section on the site that clearly states the pricing. So in the middle of me thinking that I was recording the video, I was also updating it. So basically, they do have two plans. They have a $15 plan where they give you 120 photos, and they also have a $25 plan where you get 240. And the one that I signed up for is, of course, I'm always signing up for the more expensive one because I want to show you guys exactly what you get if you're paying more. So I'll be waiting for the 240 photos in about 40 minutes. See you guys soon. Okay, guys, I just got the email from PFPMaker.com saying that my photos are ready. Let's take a look. My expectations are not really high for this one. So, let's see. 120 photos. Yeah. Is it realistic? Let's see. I mean, on the bright side, this is far more realistic than the others that I have seen. But you can tell it's fake because the jawline here, the lines are not... What is this line? If I can open it, I cannot zoom in for you guys to see. Let's see. Yeah, something is wrong with the contour of the face. Very clearly. Unless that can be fixed in Photoshop. With a clone tool, maybe. I mean, a lot of these are kind of expressionless, kind of like staring into nothing, that kind of like blank stare, almost like not looking right at me, but looking kind of past me. It's really like a blank stare kind of look. On the bright side, I mean, these did come out better than some of the others that I have gotten back. So, but in terms of like looking like me, there are a few that do look like me. I think maybe this one does kind of, I would kind of be fooled by that. This one does look like me. One of the things that the AI have trouble getting correct about me, I've noticed, is my smile. So they tend to give me straighter teeth than I really have. Though I do have straight teeth because I did have braces when I was a kid. But the gum is not correct. Like, for example, if I were to smile right now, you can see there is the top part of my smile. It always shows the gums. Like, even if I don't try to smile all the way, like not a full smile, it doesn't look like a real smile. I literally have to do like this for my smile to be full, and I always have these. I don't know what that's called. If someone could correct me, like what is this feature called? If someone's a cosmetic surgeon, let me know what that means. But yeah, it tends to get the mouth, like the teeth wrong. But I feel like that's a small detail that you wouldn't notice unless you're a dentist or unless you're a cosmetic surgeon. But yeah, probably maybe one or two of these I could get away with calling it like a realistic enough headshot that can be used for LinkedIn. So on the bright side, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's just, but the thing is, the vast majority of these photos came out with that blank stare. Kind of like really expressionless, when what we're really trying to go for in our picture is more personality and character. I think my favorite photo is probably this one. because of the way it pushes my hair like this way. Yeah, I mean, I think I could put this as part of the top. Maybe not, definitely not number one, but so far I have looked at I have applied to 10. Not all 10 came back. This could fall into maybe the top five, top half. I mean, it's definitely not so bad that it looks cartoonish, right? Like one of the ones that I just reviewed earlier, I don't remember the name because I'm reviewing so much, but it came out cartoonish. At least this looks better. I mean, little details like this, where you can see there's this issue with the contour of the jaw, where the jaw meets the hair. I think that can be fixed slightly with Photoshop. Yeah. Okay. That's it for PFPmaker.com. Overall, better than I expected. I expected worse because of the comments on Instagram. So maybe you guys shouldn't always listen to what people say on social media. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video and you want to see the photos from the other AI headshot generators, you can head over to AnnieYangFinancial.com, go to the book resources section, scroll down to chapter 16, click on the read button, and then I will constantly be updating this article right here until I finish reviewing all of the AI headshot generators. So I will be updating this every single day with the photos of those AI headshot photo shoots. So you can take a look at the results. So far, I have to say, Try It On AI is still the winner in terms of resemblance, and it looks realistic and natural. Second up probably is, let's see. I mean, Multiverse AI, it looked like half Asian, half Caucasian. It might be a good option if you are white. And then this definitely is not, right? Snapper definitely doesn't work. Plus, the expressions are really blank. But yeah, I will be updating this article with PFPMaker right after this video. And then if you enjoyed today's video and you want to support my channel, then I highly recommend you get the 5-Day Job Search book. If you're not ready to buy the book, you can listen to the book and see if it's for you. You can get the free audiobook on AnnieYangFinancial.com. All you need to do is type in your first name and email address here, and then you can get the audiobook. But I swear to God, if you like the book, you're going to realize, oh my gosh, this book has so much valuable information to offer because it has 49 chapters. And the audiobook is 5 hours long. So this isn't the kind of book that you just read once through and voila, you got the results. It's the kind of book where you have to implement the advice. So you're going to implement something and then come back, implement and come back. And because of this, because you're going to read this more than once and it's going to be more like a reference than something you just read straight through, then you're going to want to get the signed paperback copy. And because of that, I'm also offering the signed paperback copy on my site. If you go to the homepage and click on this orange button that says buy my signed copy now, add the book to your shopping cart and use the coupon code WIN, WIN, to get a 10% off discount on the signed paperback copy. That's it for you guys today. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.